Alright guys, so this is my Pit Boss wood pellet grill. It uses wood pellets. I wanted something small, and I wanted something that wasn't coal. I like coal, but it's dirty, a lot of cleanup, and I didn't really want to be dependent on gas, although with gas you don't need electric. With these you got to have electric to operate them. But I decided to get one of these and been very happy with it. So guys, let me show you how I went from that last clip to this, where I extended the shelf unit out so that I had room to clean in here. Because as you can see in the last clip, that this is tight to the unit, to the grill, and you can't get in here. So if you were to, which I have, if you were to have some grease get in here and you want to clean it off, you can't get to it. So, and I like to use furniture polish to wipe this thing down and keep it looking good. So I will show you what I did. It's real simple. Gives you plenty of room in here now to get in here and wipe this down and clean it. So guys, I took the shelf off, pulled one of the bolts out, and interestingly enough, I thought these would be metric. They're 1/4 20. Now my thought, guys, is to use this product from Hillman. It's 1/4 inch inside diameter by 3/8 outside diameter by 3/4 inch long steel spacer. And this is the part number 880415. I got these at Lowe's. I think you can get Hillman products at any of your big box stores. Okay, right from the get-go, guys, an issue I'm having, which really shouldn't be an issue, is once we extend this out like we are here, 3/4 of an inch, and because of this arc, you're either going to get the top and middle one or the bottom and the middle one to go. Because once you tighten these down, either the top or bottom one is not going to go. It's going to be on an angle. So I elected to have the top and middle one because that makes more sense, because your force is going to be down. And I'm using 1/4 20 by 1.5" socket head cap screw, stainless steel. And so this is what we're going to have here, just like this. Okay, so it's going to be spaced out just like that. And then if we look inside, yeah, there you can see that they're sticking out from that welded stud that's in there. So we should be fine. I don't see any issue here. Alright guys, let's do the same thing to the left bracket. Alright guys, just to give you an idea what I'm doing here, bracket's going to sit on there like this. So this is their top hole, this is the middle hole, 1.5 inch long, stainless steel socketed cap screws, bolts, 1/4 20 threads, and we slide those on, and then that gets bolted directly into the stud that's welded into the particular unit. Again, I was surprised that they're standard. I thought they'd be metric. Okay guys, so the first thing that I didn't foresee was this shelf is going to hit the head of that socket head cap screw. So let me get a button head. I believe I have some button heads that'll work, and I'll replace the top one with a button head cap screw that's the same length, 1.5" 1/4 20s. Alright guys, so the button head I'm putting on is on the right side here, and I guess it does make sense. I didn't really take note that it was a low profile round head that was original there on the left. So this should work fine now. Here you see the difference, guys. The button head's on top, your standard Allen head socket head cap screws on the bottom. So I'm not going to change that one. That one should be just fine. Okay guys, it hits ever so slightly. Right there, just a little bit. Hardly noticeable. So we're going to call that good.